गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 एक्सरसाइज 13.1 दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन concept of probability. So now here question is a fair die is rolled. Consider the events. एक फेयर डाई को रोल करेंगे या थ्रो करेंगे तो उससे जो इवेंट्स आए E135 F23 G2345. So what we have to find probability, that is a conditional probability of event E given that probability of F has occurred. Similarly P, F and E of G and then G of E. So we have, when we roll a die, you see that when a die has 6 faces, so the formula for it is 6 raised to power n. 6 raised to power n means 6 raised to power 1. Ek die. So we get 6 total outcomes. So that means for sample space we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So either 1 come up, 2 come up, 3. First part, to solve the first part, first of all, you know that this we have only 6 total number of outcomes. So sample space becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now total jo that is 6. E is given as the event 135. So that is number is 3. F 2, 3 and the number of is 2, and for G it is 4. So E, the common between the events E and F, E and F is only 3. Is only 3, that is a single element. So that is a 1. We can write it as 1. Now let us find out the probability of this E. Probability of E means, so this can be written as E. What is E here? That is 3 and upon S is 6. So we get 1 upon 2. Probability of F, that is upon total. So we have 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Now for G, it will be 4 upon total, that is 6. So we have 2 upon 3. So let us start the first part now. First is P, conditional probability of P given as F has occurred. Section is we have only 1 upon the total, that is 6. So for the first part, conditional probability of E as F has occurred will be N, and that is your E. So what will it become? It will become as, so we can write it as F, sorry. So what is, we can have N, E, the common part is only 1 upon 6, and for F it is that of 1 upon 3. So let us solve it. That is 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 1. So we get 1 upon 2 as the answer. For second, that is P of probability of, and we can write it as again in the form of, but this time you have to write E. So it is again 1 by 6 upon 1 upon 2. So that will become 1 by 6, 2 upon 1, that is 1 upon 3. So for second part we have again, that is, so what is E? That you can write N, E and G divided by what you have, N of G. N of G. So first of all you have to find E and G. E intersection part of G. G here 2 and N of G we are having 2 of 3, or we can say 2 of 6. That is, if you have to write it like this in the form of probability, then the probability of E intersection G will be 2 by 6, that is equal to what, you can write it as 1 upon 3. So for this probability of E and G, we have an intersection part divided by G. So we can write as 1 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 into 3 by 2. So the answer is 1 upon 2. So next is we have to find out that is G upon F. So we can write it as again 2 by 6, but this time 3 by 6. 6 cancel. We can write 2 by 3 as the answer. Now for the third part, and third part is you can try yourself.